So you're driving up a steep hill and the engine revs high, but the car just doesn't want to go. It feels like the transmission slipped into neutral for a second. Your first thought might be a costly rebuild, but the real problem is likely just a small, hardened seal sucking in air. Here's what's happening inside. Your transmission pan holds a reservoir of fluid, and on a steep grade, all that fluid naturally shifts to the back of the pan. Up at the front is the filter pickup tube, which is the straw the transmission pump uses to drink fluid. Where that tube pushes into the pump body, there's a small O-ring or grommet. Its only job is to create a perfect seal, so the pump can create a strong vacuum and pull in a solid, uninterrupted stream of fluid. Over time, that little seal gets old, hard, and brittle from heat cycles. On flat ground, it's submerged in fluid and usually seals just fine. But when you go up a steep incline, the fluid level at the front of the pan drops. If that seal is weak, the pickup tube is suddenly exposed to air. Instead of sucking up pure fluid, the pump starts gulping in pockets of air along with the fluid. This is a big problem. Transmission fluid needs to be a solid liquid to work. When it gets aerated, it turns into a bubbly, useless foam. Foam compresses easily, so it can't create the hydraulic pressure needed to operate anything. Specifically, it can't supply the pressure to keep the forward clutch pack clamped down tight. This pack is a stack of alternating steel and friction plates that have to be squeezed together with immense force to transfer the engine's power. Without that solid pressure, the plates start to slip against each other under load. It's a microslip at first, but it generates intense heat very quickly. That heat is what burns the friction material on the clutch plates. You might even get a faint burnt smell from the fluid later on. The transmission isn't broken yet, but it's telling you it's starving for fluid. The good news is there's a simple way to confirm this. When the car is safe and cool, carefully overfill the transmission by just 1 quart. This is a temporary diagnostic step only. That extra quart raises the fluid level in the pan just enough to keep the failing seal submerged, even on a hill. Now drive the car on the same incline. If the slipping is gone, you've found your culprit. The permanent fix isn't a rebuild. It's a standard pan drop service. You drain the fluid, remove the pan, and replace the filter, which comes with a new seal. Don't drive with the extra quart in there long term, as overfilling can cause other issues. But for a test, it tells you everything you need to know. A $10 seal can save you from thinking you need a $4,000 transmission.